So let's continue with parabola. So now we'll do tangents. Okay, so first of all, what's a tangent? Say, if this is the parabola, there will be infinite such lines with a certain m. That is, if we fix the slope, then there will be infinite lines with different constant y equal to mx plus c. That is, if we fix this m, then for different value of c we'll get different line, but all will be parallel. Among that one line, because it will be infinite lines just coming down, so there will be at least one line which will touch the parabola at only one point. Okay, the condition is c is equal to a by m. How is it found? Easy, just take it, y square equal to 4x. Okay, and we have y equal to mx plus c. Solve it with it. So mx plus c whole square equal to 4ax. So what is it? M square x square plus c square plus 2mx mxc minus 4ax is equal to 0. Is it correct? So if it cuts the parabola at only one point, then b square must be equal to 4ac. So it is b square. B is the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x over here? 2mc minus 4a. It is b. Square of it must be equal to 4 times a, which is m square, into c, which is c square. Okay, so it becomes 4m square c square plus 16a square minus 16mca must equal 4m square c square. This cancelled. We have 16mca is equal to 16a square. A cancel, 16 cancel. Why we cancelled a? Because a cannot be equal to 0. If a is 0, then it is not at all a parabola only. Then we get c is equal to a by m. So it's the condition. So what we can write from here? From here we can write y for y equal to mx plus a by m. This parabola, for y equal to mx plus a by m, it will form a tangent for the parabola y square equal to 4x. What if the parabola is y square equal to minus 4x? If the parabola would have been y square equal to minus 4ax, the equation would have been y equal to mx minus a by m. You can check it easily. Just this will be minus 4x. Okay, this will be minus 4x. So what can be the change? Yes, the change will be, if this is minus 4x, then this would become plus. If this is plus, then here you have got one plus. Okay, this plus. What if this become plus? Then this should also become 16mca. Okay, I am writing from here that this has become plus, so it would have become. So we have got a statement like 4m square c square plus 16a square plus 16mca equal to 4m square c square. This is the statement which will get. This will get cancelled again, but in a different technique. 16mc is equal to minus 16a square. Okay, a get cancelled, 16 get cancelled, c becomes minus a by m. Okay, for y square equal to minus 4x, this would have been. What if the parabola would have been x square equal to 4ay? If it had been x square equal to 4a over y, so what we will do? Y is equal to x square by 4a. We will put this x square by 4a is equal to mx plus c. Just taking over here, it becomes x square by 4a minus mx minus c equal to 0. So what is the b over here? Here the b is m itself. Okay, m square. Okay, minus m square, b square must be equal to 4ac. 4 into 1 by 4a into minus of c. So what would have been? 4 cancelled. C, m square equal to minus c by a. So c equal to minus m square. So if the parabola is x square equal to 4ay, then equation of tangent will be mx plus minus am square. Similarly, if the parabola would have been x square equal to minus 4ay, we have seen here that if we just change the sign, then what happens? This get reversed, this sign get reversed. So we'll do the same thing over here. From, we can say, from similarly x square becomes c becomes am square. So what are the equations of parabola? The equation of tangent for respective parabolas for 4ax square, y square equal to 4x, for y square equal to minus 4x, for x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to minus 4ay. These are value of C are a by m minus a by m minus am square a m square. Okay, so it's easy. So let's proceed. Now how to find the 2-point form and the form in terms of t. So it's easy, you can do it like this way. Y square is equal to 4ax, differentiate it, it becomes 2y dy, 2y1 dy equal to 4a dx. So you get dy by dx to be 2a by y1. So it is the slope. Just use 1-point form. What I am doing, this is the parabola. I assumed a point over here as x1 comma y1. It can be anything, x1 comma y1. Okay, see here, x1 comma y1. So if it is x1 y1, we are finding a tangent to this point. So it will be the slope, we know 2a by y1 at any point. Okay, at any point with coordinate y1, the slope will be 2a by y1. So equation will be y minus y1 equal to 2a by y1 into x minus x1. So what is it? It is y into y1 minus 2a times x plus x1 equal to 0. It's the slope. Now just do nothing. Just replace y1 by 280 and x1 by 80 square. What you will get, just put them, we will get y into 280 minus 2a into x plus 80 square is equal to, see this 2a got cancelled, ty is equal to x plus 80 square. You can derive this from t equal to 0 also. What is t equal to 0? There is a formula branch, you'll see in any other lecture, that how can you convert an equation of curve to any tangent at point x1 y1. Okay, that this one x square gives xx1, y square is y, convert this to y1. If you convert this on and go on doing such things, like x can be should be converted to x plus x1 by 2. That's why here 4ax converts to x plus x1 by 2, which is 2a plus 2 into x plus x1. If you go on doing like this, then we'll get the tangent at that point. So here it is, ty is equal to x plus 80 square. We derived it. Now similarly check for y square equal to minus 4x. If y square is minus 4x, what would have been? These coordinates, these two coordinates would have changed. Yes, no? The coordinate of x would have become negative. If the coordinate of x would have become negative, then what must be the result? Then the result would have been, just do one thing. It is a trick, great trick. I can see y got negative, so ty is equal to minus of x plus 80 square. Done. Now convert. Now just for another graphs, y square equal to 4ay. What would be for y square equal to x square equal to 4ay? Similar thing, this thing only. In this case, what happened? This got reversed. X square y, this got reversed. So what if this got reversed? So y will become 80 square and x then becomes 280. It's the only difference would have been. Okay, so by symmetricity we can write the equation of tangent for here will be, here was ty equal to x plus 80 square, just reverse them, x in place of y and y in place of x, tx equal to y plus 80 square. Similarly for this curve, x square equal to minus 4ay, y got negative, just term y as negative, then 80 square. We have found all the equations of an tangent. So we are done. Now we'll see what are some properties of tangents.